Prime Minister Shehbazsharif says that Pakistan's economic future was linked to the success of the China-Pakistan Economic Corridor with Gwadar Port as its main component, and to achieve that end, the role of the Pakistan Navy was key.
Pakistan's economic future hinges upon the success of CPEC, with Gwadar Port as its major component. To achieve this end, the need for a strong and vibrant navy is very important and than ever before. Besides this, our adjoining sea areas are home to multiple security challenges.
The Premier stressed the need for a strong and vibrant navy had become even more important than ever before because of the growing blue economy, marine security, and strategic defense.
Pakistan Navy's strategic role in the defense of our maritime borders will continue to gain significance in the years ahead. Our country is blessed with a large coastline situated in one of the most strategically important locations in the region.